Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is JP.
And I'm Althea.
And this is Real Bucking Adventures. Alright, we are taking the jet ski out for the first time since, I think this time last year. So it's literally been about a year.
Like Anna Maria.
Yeah, so, wish us luck. Hopefully the jet ski starts.
And if it doesn't, then we're just gonna fish from shore.
Yeah. But our plan is to take the ski out, stay in the bay area a little bit. Oh, the water looks really pretty today, though. And, you know, it's a little windy out there, so we're probably not going to go out to, like, the actual open ocean. Probably just stay in the bay and try a couple of our fishing spots from the jet ski and all that stuff. So, it's going to be great.
Yeah, join us along.
If it starts. TBD. Probably. We didn't even know if this was gonna start. Is that a ramp? Full send. Well, after a few fiascos, we were able to get the jet ski started.
Yeah, well, somebody didn't want to, you know, lose his hat, so somebody had to jump in to get it, which was me.
But we're anchored out here on the sandbar. We're just gonna take a look around, maybe do a little fishing, test everything out. All right, Althea's got pompano rig with shrimp out there, and I'm throwing the little goofy jig. We're just hanging out on the sandbar, seeing if there's something swimming by. Oh, got a bite. Oh, baby, I got one. Oh. No idea what this is. Feels big, though. I gotta make my way back to the jet ski. Oh, baby, that's a big fish. Oh, I see it. Oh, it's a little red. We didn't bring our what? Pliers? No, I have them. I think he spun on it, so I'm just kind of like hauling dead weight right now. I'm just trying to get... can you put your rod in the rod holder and grab me the pliers? That was just unexpected, folks. That was only like my third cast, too. Oh, no. Oh, shit, I gotta go over it. Oh, shit. I got it.
There you go.
No, you went. Stupid fish. All right, where is he at? Pull him up. What do you got? I foul hooked a whiting.
Lower.
Sorry. What are the odds of that? How did I foul hook him?
Couldn't tell you. Oops.
Keeping him or throwing him back?
I don't care. It's a whiting.
It's a big whiting.
Keep him so we got the
Yeah. Yeah, let me do it, baby. You hold the pole.
Okay, you do it over the bucket so we don't lose them. I don't know how we're just scoop water in there, but...
Bag. Just make sure it doesn't get away. Wow, this is working really well. Well, there's whiting out here. I can't believe I foul hooked him. All right, we're good.
I can't hold him.
I grab him.
He's so slippery.
I'll grab him with the bag so he doesn't slip out of my hands and get away. Nice try. All right.
Some water in it?
Yeah. That was weird. That was just weird.
That was weird.
The whole thing.
Yeah, this is bigger.
Got something? Nice.
I don't know what this is, but it's giving me...
Is it pull and drag?
It's giving me a good time.
Might be just a big whiting. Nice, babe. Oh shit.
No, it's not a white.
Holy crap.
Get ready to grab it. You don't want to be chunked.
Yeah, let me pull the, you got it, I'll slow down. Oh, it's just a big catfish.
Oh, of course it's a fucking catfish.
Oh gosh. Whoa, hey, you caught something. Here, hand it over here, baby.
Bag it.
See if I can get him off. It's a big one.
Can you get a video of me? Yeah.
Son of a bitch. Stop taking my bait, son. There we go. There he goes.
Oh, he's out.
He's gonna. He good. All right, managed to see what was stealing our bait. You're gonna lose him.
I know. I can't hold him.
There we go. There we go.
I
Another
can't even hold him.
little whiting. We're gonna let him go.
Bye, cutie.
But
Don't go that way.
so that's what's stealing our bait. So now that we know, I'm
At
gonna
least it's not pinned.
put a little bit bigger chunk of bait out there and try to get a little further out.
Okay.
Get that big catfish in, baby. It's okay. Does it feel like another cat, or does it feel like it's swimming a little bit different? It's kind of pulling.
No, I'm just lazy.
Well, you look amazing doing it.
I'll get my tummy.
Where's he at?
There.
Yep, another big cat.
Another cat. God. Punch you.
Oh, big one. Must be a little catfish hole over there. Hold on, let me grab my pliers. Ooh, almost lost my jig. Alright. You're just queen of the cats today, aren't you, baby? Hey, I don't want them near my balls. Hold on. There he goes. Just come here so I can hold it. Having some lunch at the fish shack. Just parked out here. Hi.
Hi.
We're all sunburned. Or I am. Why do you look so pretty? And I look awful. Whoo, big strike right there. I think it's a trout. No, it's a little snook.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Let me see if he's slot. Florida snook regulations end season.
Last time I picked one of these up, I had my hand sliced open. It's not in season right now.
Yeah, I don't think he is.
No, he's not in season. It just
Here, hold up
closed
one
a
minute.
week ago. You want to go over there where there's a camera?
I got one. Woo. I don't even think I have my pliers. I ain't afraid to grab him. I'm afraid for him to rip me right in the... There we go. Look, I got him right on the teaser.
There you go.
That's what I'm talking about right there. Big snook.
Mm-hmm. Covering your face.
Yeah, big snook. Quick release, follow me. Good size snook right from the surf on a goofy jig. Woo, there he goes. All right, so I have my light rod with a floater with a greenback. Got my big rod with half of a whiting on there. That's for like sharks or something big. And then I got a pompano rig with shrimp and fish bites on that one. And that beautiful lady over there has same thing, but she's got live shrimping on hers. So, oh yeah, he's on there. Whoo, I don't know what that is, but I was like, where's my bobber? Oh no, he's gonna line me up with all my other ones. I'm trying. He's not too big. I just don't want to get all my other lines tangled up.
I don't see any of the other ones pulling yet.
That's good. Although I'm right up on him. Come on, buddy. Come back this way. That was so funny, but I was looking up. I was like, where's my bobber? It's another snook. Hi, I still got my bait, too. Oh, I did get my other line. That one looks a little bigger. There we go. I'm good. Whoop. And there we go. Dang, babe. Look. What did I tell you? Look, got him right in the mouth. Here, can you hold my pole? Oh, yeah. That one looks even bigger. Ah, oh, my bait. Well, if you chill out, bro, I'd unhook you. Oh, grab it, baby. Oh, I think you got the bird. Is that what happened? You can't catch Fred? Wasn't it doing that before he flew, though? Good size snook. Not bad. Yeah. Let me put this snook back. Alrighty, buddy. Let's get you back. There you go. Yeah. Fred, you moron.
You might just have to clip the line.
No, let's bring him in. You're not supposed to do that. He's gonna get hooked. He won't stop, so.
I know. I'm taking it slow. I don't want to hurt him. Come here, buddies. We gotta save you. Somebody's gotta grab him by the little mouth.
Not it.
Come here.
Fred.
No.
Chill. Come here.
There we go.
Oh, is he off?
Almost.
Oh no, he's just... Wait, he's not even hooked. Wait, let me grab the hook so he doesn't hook himself. And I can just cut it. Babe.
Yeah. I'll get to the wire and I'll just cut the wire.
Yep, go grab the thing. Hold on. Oh, we barely got him by the tip of the feather. Yeah, just grab the blade. Fred, stop.
You little dodo bird. Let me cut it.
But cut it as close as you can to the feather. Oh, there he goes.
There you go, boo boo. I didn't even have to cut it.
Dummy.
I was like, I don't feel like driving.
I got feathers all over my line. Oh, water's beautiful today. Feels good too. We out here this morning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Got a little bit of a late start, but that's all right. We got 2 poles out with live shrimp and pole with a nice little jerk bait and a goofy jig. So, all right, shaking it up a little bit. Putting a Carolina rig on there with a live shrimp. Just gonna go strictly live bait right now because jigging don't seem to be doing anything. So see if they like this. Can't get over how pretty the water is today. It is gorgeous. And I am very blessed to live 10 minutes away from this spot. Ooh, look at all that bait fish. The one day I don't have my cast net. Oh, big bite right now. Whoo! On the Carolina rig. Oh, that took some line, didn't it, baby? Yeah. We were just sitting on the umbrella. Well, he's on there. I don't know what that was.
Tell me when it feels close.
Oh, he's getting close. Hey, baby, you might need to go reel my lines in. The other one too. Oh wait, babe, you're on top of it, so walk it over. There you go, perfect. You're good. Oh. I don't see him yet. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a bonnet.
Oh. Then you again.
Ooh, good size bonnet shark. All right, buddy, come on in. No, it's time to come in. Come on. You're acting like you're a big fish. Come on. Ooh, come on, buddy. There he goes. Come on. Come on.
You want me to just grab him?
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go. Whew, that's a good size one.
That'd be good.
Here, baby, can you hold the pole for 2 seconds?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big bonnet. That is a big bonnet. Oh. Whew. Hold on, let me move my hand under him. There we go.
Hold lower. Shoulders low. There you go. There you go.
All right, buddy. And don't bite me. I don't have my pliers.
Yes, you do. You have pliers.
I don't think I have them. I got them. Whew. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Whoo! Big bonnet, mature bonnet. All right, buddy. All right, calm down. I'll let you go. Hey, oh, not that way. There. Whoa! There he goes.
Couldn't tell where he went.
He's right there.
There you go.
That was nuts.
Hey,
Thanks, man. I think that puts an end to that video. What do you think? Good day? High five.